everybody. It's the second game of this best-of-3 series involving Blackwater and Rain or Shine. Blackwater had their chances to win that first game, but Rain or Shine coach refused to fold in the end.
And they had an 11-0 run to win game one.
And they had their chances to grab the upper hand as this first quarter is under.
Games losing 4, but because of inferior quotient, they dropped. Actually, it's not inferior quotient because the top two teams like TNT and North, because that will open up the paint for the penetrators, including their import, to attack the basket aggressively.
Greg Smith has a scooping shot against two defenders. Blackwater is back.
Yung gamble ba ng hot shots na magparating ng import pero hindi naka-adjust agad.
The number 1 energy drink.
That was obviously an elite move, an NBA kind of a move wherein you step back, you don't lose your sight on the goal, you step back, they know that they have a chance at the end. Good one.
Greg Smith has a follow-up. He has double digits now.
36 points. And they were the best team in the league before that, 10-1, and had an 8-game winning streak before that. Wala naman siya magagawa. So now, his
Smith! Oh, he got it found away. Alam naman niya sa practice, tumatama sa tres yan di ba? Wow, ganda ng pasa.
Pinownplay ni rin ng Batak yung big 3 niya in game number 1. Ang sabi niya, ready lang daw naman kasi siya at talagang sunerte lang. Pero in fact, apparently, pinapractice pa nila yung lagi.
Rain or Shine. Challenge shots na siya. Wala nang opening.
What happened there? What happened there, coach?
Miscommunication. Yes.
On Belga. Before we go anywhere else, here's the lakas move. Hatid sa inyo ng new Cobra Vitamin C. Lakas at proteksyon, Cobra. Here's Smith. Turnaround shot. Bingo.
That's big time basketball.
But that won't dent the final outcome. And look at this. Blackwater Elite lives to fight for another day.